Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a Snapchat public profile not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up a particular Snapchat app, and from this section you should be able to check it out if your public profile is showing or not. You're going to go to profile and go to settings, and then you're going to simply scroll. Tap on see me in find friends. Turn this on. Once you have done that on, then in find friends your account will be available, and that's what you need to do. Next thing what you can do is you can simply go ahead and clear cache files. If that also doesn't work, all you have to do is go to your app store, go to search bar and search in Snapchat. Then go ahead and check if your app needs an update. If it does, tap on the update. There you go. That's how you can do it. Otherwise, you can also go ahead, if it still does not help, tap long press on it and then tap on to remove app and uninstall it, and then reinstall the app, re-log in, and that should work out as well. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.